Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the total pressure on an object submerged in the ocean depends on the depth of the object beneath the surface. The formula above, P is equal to 101 plus 10.094 D, shows the relationship between P, the pressure in kilopascals, and D, the depth in meters. We're asked which of the following formulas expresses depth in terms of pressure. So we're looking to express depth, so that's D, in terms of pressure, P. So we're looking to take this equation, P is equal to 101 plus 10.094 D, and we're looking to solve for D. So subtracting 101 from both sides, these cancel, and we have P minus 101 is equal to, now we just have this one term, 10.094 D. And our last step to solve for D itself is divide both sides by 10.094. So on this side, these cancel, and we're just left with D, which is what we wanted. And there's nothing to cancel out on this side, so we just have P minus 101 over 10.094 is equal to D. Which of these answers is correct? We have P minus 101 over 10.094 lines up with D. Right, this should say equals D, but this is what we're looking for, the depth in terms of pressure. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.